we're live. Let's ping everyone. Hello, hello, live on YouTube. Let's disable push to talk. Voice and video. Voice activity. This should be a lot easier now. Voice activity is looking pretty good. Looking over some of these charts, we're starting to see a little bit of a pump today, so that's good. Nice little pump happening so far today. Really nice pump. I'm going to go over to the charts over here for Bitcoin. Let's get this Bitcoin chart. Alright, here we are for the Bitcoin chart. This is my 4-hour chart. For those of you who are new to the channel, 4 hours is my favorite time zone for charting. I love the 4-hour chart for doing any type of technical analysis or prediction. It seems to be the most reliable chart. When I say the most reliable chart, it's the chart with the least amount of margin of error for me. What's up, RC Anderson? You got an ad with Brian saying he made 100K today day trading? Okay, interesting advertisements. What's up, YouTube? Just chilling right now.
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, Tame, happy birthday.
How are you guys doing today? I saw a lot of red today, and now I see green.
It's probably because of your birthday.
Yes, sir. There's a lot to discuss in the markets today.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Man, one thing I see that scares me, this 4-hour chart though. Look how fast we entered the overbought range from oversold. Just between yesterday we were oversold, and now we're heading towards the overbought. We're not completely overbought yet. I think Bitcoin may get overbought when we get closer to that $21,800. But definitely a lot of shorts got messed up from this last little pump. Generally, when you're in this oversold range, you're going to see a price higher. Generally. And if we go back to July 11th, that's when the dip first happened. And we were oversold. So theoretically, we should bounce above $20,600 for Bitcoin. And we're still shy of that $20,600. Parabolic SAR is trying to uptrend for Bitcoin. Getting a little bit of big candles for Bitcoin right here. Let's see. It's not giant candles, but they'll add up fast. And then we have this, obviously, the MACD starting to cross over for Bitcoin. If you look down here, the value is negative 394. MACD is just turning bullish a little bit, but it's a scary situation. We have to check on the daily, see if the daily is oversold yet. No, daily did not go in that oversold range, so it could be a small pump up. Just a reaction to being oversold on the 4-hour, and it could actually even come down lower. So keep your eyes on that. But on the 4-hour, I think we have room to go up to 20,600 at least, maybe even 21,800 on a big push up if enough shorts get liquidated. So that's what we're aiming for right now. Michael Brinchstead, did you get a lot of profits for gifts? It's not been the best trading week, Michael Brinch. Definitely not the best trading week. I won a few trades last week. Well, last week I won like 8 trades. This week I actually lost some trades as well, and then won some trades. This week is almost a break-even week. I had to close I closed the Bitcoin short on a big pump up to minimize my risk. It would have been a huge profit, but I had the stop loss, so I got stumped out when it ran up to 22,200 really fast. And Bitcoin will do that to you. It will run up like $2,000 to $3,000 sometimes in a split second because there's not enough trading volume. And that's one of the dangers for futures trading. There's not enough trading volume, so definitely don't use a whole bag. Is anybody in any good positions right now? My Doge long is profitable right now. I see Ethereum's up 6% for the day as well. Let's look at the Dogecoin chart. On the daily, this is an interesting chart. Because if you look for the past 4-hour chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. For the past 48 hours, we've kind of stopped dipping on this 4-hour chart, which is good. And generally, when you stop dipping for 48 hours, you get a nice little pump. We saw Elon tweet. Elon tweet. It wasn't even a Doge picture, some dog pictures. And the price spiked and then came right back down immediately. But if he does actually tweet some Doge stuff, that would be good for some short-term trades today. One moment.
Is it true it's your birthday? Hey, it's your birthday?
Alright, I'm back. Let's look at Dogecoin on a shorter time frame. Let's do the 15 minutes. It's like short enough to do some trend lines.
And is it true it's your birthday?
Yeah, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Thank you. So if you look on the 15, it looks like Doge kind of was overbought. We run up pretty fast today. The Golden Cross did come in earlier today, and then we spiked as high as 6.2 and some change. Now we're coming back down a little bit. Parabolic SAR on the 15 wants Dogecoin to come down, but if you look right here, the only candle that really had significant volume was the candle of 22.9 million. So definitely not enough significant volume. You look on the 4-hour, and you can see our last 4-hour candle is not even 100 million volume. So we're not really getting significant volume, and this is on the Binance chart for Doge. But I do see that we've kind of slowed down on that downtrend, and you can see the Williams alligator right here. I'll zoom in for you guys. See this dark blue, pink, and green? This is the Williams alligator. And if you look at the direction right here, it's no longer constantly downturn. the jaw of the alligator up here is kind of like slanted down a little bit, but if you look at the lips, the lips and teeth are kind of starting to come back up. So it could be possible for Doge to be a little bit bullish on the 4 hour, and it would not surprise me if we saw a spike up to at least 6.8 to 7 cents on this 4 hour time frame. Now I'm not saying that's going to happen in the next few minutes. I'm just saying on a 4 hour candle, it would not surprise me, especially when our def cross was up here at 6.7. I think we could bounce up above this moving average, 6.49, and then climb as high as 7 on a big pump. Theoretically, that's very possible. So if you are thinking about shorting Doge, you have to keep that in mind when you are deciding how your risk is going to go. We have a YouTube chat from Adam. Adam says, shouldn't the market be dumping with the CPI data? It depends if that CPI data was already priced into the markets. Anybody that's doing investing, any investor, any hedge fund, anybody who shops, they know that consumer prices have been increasing. And personally, from my standpoint, I don't think stocks are going to suffer as much just because prices are increasing. The thing that would slow down the stock prices is a decrease in credit. Now, if you have less people borrowing money to buy those consumer goods that are increasing in price, then yes, stocks should worry. But if people are taking out more credit cards to pay for these higher prices, pay for the higher gasoline, pay for higher mortgage rates, then the economy is still going to be fine. It's just going to be a large credit bubble in probably 4 to 8 years. So, usually when times are a little bit hard like this, you see more people opening up credit cards. Is there anybody in the Discords that's been opening up more credit cards to pay for everyday stuff?
I'm not.
Nobody open up credit card? Anybody use credit cards for rewards? Coinbase card, any type of cards for rewards? Nope. Anybody in YouTube chat opening up more credit cards during this time? If the Fed does increase interest rates, though, then you're definitely going to see less people open up credit cards. And you're going to see less consumer spending, and that would be really bad news for the markets. Looks like Doge right here on these short time frames already overbought. On the short time frames, we're already overbought because on this 4 hour, this was a big candle right here, guys. Remember, this candle started at 8 p.m. Eastern, and we're only at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern. So, we're up here. It's already spiked up 0.02. That's a big width so far. 2 hours into this 4 hour candle. And keep in mind, it took us a long time to come down. The candle is very similar to the length of this candle as well when we had a big drop. And it did create some resistance for Doge at 6.23. If you look on the Heikin-Ashi, you generally, when you get a candle like this with a flat bottom and you have a green candle, generally the next candle is going to be bullish as well, and then the MACD is crossing up here on the 4 hour for Doge. On the short time frames, you may get pullbacks. You may get pullbacks on the short time frame. But if you start a short right now and walk away, you may come back and see Doge at 6.3, 6.4 cents and be in trouble. So my only caution to you guys out there, if you're thinking about shorting Doge, rethink that strategy, because this 4 hour and the weekly time frame are slowly pushing back up. Slowly pushing back up. Okay. So my first giveaway on the Discord, I'm going to do a giveaway on the Discord first. It's just going to be some of those Crypto Crown NFTs. Let me do that real quick. Alright, let me set up the giveaway on the Discord real quick as well. And I'll make this one quick. Let me make sure I have the right channel name. Giveaways. How long will the giveaway last? We're gonna do 10 minutes. All right, and how many number of giveaways? We're gonna do 40. Oh, 20. We'll do 20. Okay, 20 winners. Enter the prize giveaway. Alright, so I created the giveaway. For all you guys watching in the Discord, all you have to do is go to the giveaways channel and you click this party hat, you react to it. If it lights up blue like this, you're in the giveaway. If it's not blue, you're not entered. So far we have 4, 5, 6 people entered, and then I'll post in the announcements channel as well. Alright, so there'll be 20 winners, and it's going to be in the giveaways channel. And then after this, while this is happening, I'm going to do a NFT giveaway in the YouTube chat as well. Alright, so one moment, I'm going to load up the... I'm just loading up the NFTs real quick right now. So basically, sorry. I'm just setting this up real quick. Oh. I might have messed up the thing. Let's bring this back over. Alright. And this is the NFT that I'm giving away. I gave away 182 so far. Well, 181 since my wallet's included. And basically the NFT is just a token. If you're in the Discord already, you are given a special role, special permission when you link this NFT to the Discord. Other than that, some people are trying to sell their NFTs. I don't know what will happen with these NFTs. There should be no expectations of these NFTs. If somebody decides to come back and buy them in the future, that is a possibility, but there should be no expectations. Currently, I'm giving away these NFTs for free for the giveaway. Speaking about NFTs, let's look at the Ethereum chart. Ethereum looks pretty good. So this is the Ethereum chart, and if you're looking right here, this is the 4-hour chart. It's similar to Bitcoin, but it's kind of getting overbought as well. So when we're getting overbought and the MACD is flipping at the same time, unless this MACD is really far down, then it's not as significant. Because when you're this overbought, generally when you're this overbought, it's going to do a little bit of a retrace and then start climbing up slowly. So if we retrace and then get overbought for a second time, that's when people may consider taking profits. They may consider taking profits during that time. Now, I may be looking into setting up the giveaway on YouTube as well, giveaway bot. Yeah, there are going to be different tiers of the crown, RC Anderson. That's just the first crown. And there's nothing wrong with holding more than one copy of the crown as well. DP says, why isn't Doge going up as much as other alts? Well, Doge already did some spikes up already, DP. Thank you, American Crypto Monster. Alright. So we have 23 people enter the giveaway so far. If you are on the Discord, if you win the giveaway, all you gotta do is send your MetaMask address to me, and then I will get that NFT to you. Just in case you do win, go ahead and send me your MetaMask address. Just in case. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I'm gonna try to set up the YouTube giveaway bot as well. I'm just gonna log in real quick on Nightbot. And I'm gonna set up this giveaway as well. If you're a channel member, you're gonna get a little bit extra luck. 3 times more likely to win. Keyword's gonna be Doge. Thank you, Excellence. Alright, so to enter the giveaway, you're gonna type the word Doge on YouTube chat. And then if you win the giveaway, you have to have your MetaMask address ready for me to send the NFT to you. If you don't have a MetaMask address or an address to receive NFTs, you should go ahead and go set that up right now. Alright, so all you have to do is type the word Doge to enter this giveaway on YouTube as well. Alright, type the word Doge and you'll be entered in the giveaway. And then I'll roll the dice pretty soon. Let's see how many people are entered so far. All right. Man, someone's copying my Twitter again. All right, I'm gonna get that account banned. I don't know why these guys always copy my Twitter. So guys, they block me, but all right, so if you guys want to help me real quick, go report this Twitter account in the YouTube chat for impersonating my Twitter. My Twitter is @BetterThanBing. This person put like 2 G's at the end of their name. Generally when these guys copy my Twitter, they get banned within a few minutes. This guy's been up for a little bit longer. Alright, so let me check the giveaway channel real quick. See how long is left on this giveaway. I started at 10:10, so it ends in 1 minute, so let's see real quick. We're going to see who all the winners are real quick. It's 24 participants, It should end right now. Let's see if this giveaway bot ends right now. Should be pretty soon. 24 people entered, so only 4 people will not win. The only problem with this, since there's so many people and I have to manually get their addresses to send it NFTs. Alright, it should be within 1 minute that the winners are chosen. 18, 16, 15 seconds. So not too long. Alright, and then after these winners are chosen, then I'm going to do YouTube chat and I'm going to roll the dice for all the people who type the word Doge to pick a winner for the giveaway as well. Alright, so I have all of the names. So if you're any of these names, and if you won, to make it very easy for me, go ahead and send your MetaMask address. So that when I click on your name right here, I already have your MetaMask address to send you the NFT. Thank you guys for playing that giveaway. And then after I send all of these guys their NFTs, should be about 200 NFTs that I've given away so far. Now, this is the NFT that I'm giving away tonight. This is just the first one out of the collection. It's the bronze level supporter crown. Giving these away for free, also to help educate people on NFTs without them needing to go and purchase NFTs. So if you guys won the NFT giveaway and you post your MetaMask address, it's going to be very easy for me to send you that NFT. Alright. We're going to roll the NFT giveaway real quick in the chat. There's only 12 eligible users. Why? Only 12 people in the YouTube chat typed the word Doge? That doesn't make sense. Oh yes it does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 people typed the word Doge. 16 people typed the word Doge. Alright, we're going to roll it. And the winner is Richard Kirk. They've been a subscriber since July 12th last year, so almost 1 year and 1 day. Alright, Richard Kirk. All you have to do is type at Tametheark and then paste your MetaMask address to receive the NFT. Alright, Richard Kirk, congratulations. Alright. And then to bring that up on the screen real quick, I'll add the image. And this is Richard. Richard Kirk is the winner. If you can type at Tametheark and send your MetaMask address, I will send you that NFT, Richard. Alright. You guys want to look at the Solana chart? We can look at Solana chart. Let's look at the Solana chart while Richard is sending his MetaMask address. And this is going to be on Binance. It has a very similar pattern as the other cryptos. The only difference is that it wicked down a little bit further. And since this thing is still under $40, the only problem with the Solana that I don't like is that devs can turn off the network anytime they like. So that's the only thing that keeps me away from trading this coin. I should say token. there's far better coins to trade like Dogecoin that have their entire blockchain that is decentralized, in my humble opinion. What do you guys think, YouTube? You like Solana or do you like Doge? All
Or
right.
Doge.
You like Doge?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, let me check this stream real quick and make sure it's not doing anything weird. All right. Let's go here. I'm sending the NFT real quick. All right. I'm sending your NFT to you real quick, Richard. Alright, I sent your NFT. Transaction is complete. Check your wallet. But yeah, Solana is also following that pattern. You're going to see a lot of days like this. One thing that's a tricky way to trade is when you get this 4-hour pumping like this. You get your MACD flipping, but you're so overbought in the 5-minute, 15-minute, and 30-minute that you see some of these small traces. And then if you get a lot of trading volume and a lot of people selling, you're going to trace back even further, and that 4 hours almost invalidated. But hey, it does look a little bit bullish here. Usually people don't buy the top after a 4-hour spike up. They wait for the retrace and then they go in. So if you're looking for the retrace, you're going to watch a coin on the 15 minutes. So if you look at Solana here, parabolic SAR is downtrending. So the price can still stay the same and the RSI cools down. That is very possible. It takes a long time for something like that to happen. But somebody just starts selling and selling, taking profits up here, that RSI will cool down a lot faster. So generally people that want to go long or want to buy or accumulate, they're going to wait for the RSI to cool down. In my opinion, I still think Luna is very bad. I think Luna still was a scam in my opinion. Both Luna C and Luna. Gala actually has some usage. People use it for online video games, for NFTs. So, 10 crypto projects that I believe in, 3 to 5 year time frame. RC Anderson, probably Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hets, Pulse Chain, Gala. Those are sits that I can think of off the top of my head. And I'm really big into decentralized. I'm not really big on centralized cryptocurrencies. Not really big on centralized currencies. Ape may be around within 5 to 10 years, depending on how they utilize the project, but in my opinion, since they're NFT based, they're going to have to do something to create utility. Now, this one's not really out yet, but I think GameStop's cryptocurrency is going to be one of the dominations. They already came out with their NFT platform, which is huge, which is why I posted in my Discord the other day, and I'll show you what I posted in the Discord. I haven't been live streaming as much lately. It's summertime. Been a little bit busy. But let's hop over to Discord real quick, just to give you guys a little bit of a light. So, yesterday again, and I tried to post about GameStop before. Right here was an article about GameStop that was really good. We have the GameStop channel, but right here is a big one. Yesterday, the price was only $130 on July 12th for GameStop. After they have that NFT platform, whoo, and then we go over and look at the GameStop chart, we can see that it had a nice little pump. It already closed above $140. So in my Discord, when I posted about GameStop, I mentioned, I can't stress this enough, not financial advice, but research GameStop calls if you like the stock right when market opens today. And this was at early morning. This is at 1:40 a.m. So this was before market opened on July 12th. When market opens today, their NFT platform will be a huge added bonus to the company. Very positive news. Stock price is only $130 right now. And today, July 13th, we closed at over 140. So, well, we creeped up past 140 into after hours, and this is huge. We already saw the value that Ape brought by just having Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. In my opinion, GameStop is a lot larger, and GameStop's allowing a lot of content creators to put their NFTs on the platform, so that's something really cool. Let's go back to the charts. If we look at GameStop right here as well on the 4 hour, you see this nice golden cross, and we're trading sideways. It's good, right? All right. We have a lot of people posting about GameStop in the Discord as well. There are some people like RC Anderson that doesn't really like GameStop. But a greater vision, you'll see that it has power. The number of people that play video games is only growing right now. It's not decreasing. So they have power. In my humble opinion, I believe the stock price has room to go up past $2,000 during a squeeze. Now, maybe divide that by 4 since we're going to do a stock split as well. But still, GameStop has potential. GameStop has potential. It's one of the most overshorted stocks on the market, and it still has room to go.
I'm so happy about that split, man.
RC Anderson, do you mind if I show them your GameStop post in the Discord? I'll show them the post real quick. This is what RC Anderson said. He says on paper, if you are fine with your purchase, kudos. I've seen GameStop and they aren't hopping. Microsoft, Sony are moving to a different model, direct to digital or subscription model. They can sell all the Funko Pops and trinkets and still barely pull in a profit. Alongside that, numerous articles coming out with staff simply walking out due to poor compensation and poor management. How those NFT sales doing them? You wrote this article before they even had the NFT platform. We all know the metaverse is a big hit right now, laughing face. It's a prime example of a bad company that doesn't actually produce anything. Their role as a middleman will be phased out in time. If you guys make a quick buck, that's cool. It's capitalism. So first thing first, I'm going to acknowledge the middleman part. Thanks to Ryan Cohen, GameStop's already making themselves away from the middleman part. They're developing, they're building their NFT platform, and they're allowing content creators to post on their platform. They're the ones in charge. Now, it may sound weird, but if you look at companies like Apple in the App Store, how much they charge in fees and commission, it's huge. Facebook wants to charge 40% commission on their metaverse platform for artists. So I think there's huge potential to be a giant competitor against Facebook for GameStop here. I think GameStop has the upper edge here. They've already hired developers. They already put money in the right spot. They did not mismanage funds. Ryan Cohen's management and CEO of GameStop helped them from mismanaging as much funds and innovate and create something new so they don't have to always be that middleman. And the squeeze as well. The squeeze is there as well. So not only do you have the squeeze in your favor, you have Ryan Cohen constantly innovating the company. He could have just bought the shares and stay on the sidelines until the squeeze happened. But he's actually forcing the value of the company to go up before the squeeze happens, so that it can maintain value after the squeeze. So that when GameStop runs up to about $800 to $900 per share, when it does retrace, it will still hold value well above $100 per share. So that's just my opinion on GameStop. It's not financial advice. People didn't believe in Roaring Kitty's technical analysis about GameStop as well. The thing that he uncovered about GameStop was that all the assets and cash on hand was worth more than the market cap of the stock. So some people find value where others don't find value, and the ones who find value and stagger their option calls become rich. The others just sit on the sidelines and watch those people become rich. Now, Warren Kitty's not really making content anymore. Obviously, he got sued in court. He probably had a gag order, but he still walked away with well over $20 million, and he's probably still able to legally trade. Probably just has a gag order that may be expiring soon. He comes back on the scene. He starts tweeting again. He starts showing his positions again. Woo-hoo. You're going to have a lot of people FOMOing in. David Lonsky says, what are your opinions on Trump hating on Musk? It's just social media hype. And both men have their disagreements. I think it's great that both men can post on social media and voice their disagreements about each other. And look, I'll show you guys a little bit of secret. I'll show you a secret for my Discord, alright? I'll let you guys in on a little secret, alright? This was in my Discord back in March. You think this guy's going to be president, or you think Trump's going to be president? Think this guy has a way higher chance of becoming president than Donald J. Trump for Republicans. Just my opinion. I mean, I've only followed politics for about 12 years, so maybe I need more information. But I think DeSantis has a way higher chance of winning against Joe Biden than Donald Trump right now, if it was those two men running for office. 100% he automatically wins Florida. 100% he wins South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia. About 50% he wins New York City. If he wins New York City, boom, landslide. DeSantis wins the election. Just my opinion on the man. So I think that's the way. I think that's the way a lot of the Republicans and a lot of the business leaders are going to back Ron DeSantis. They're going to back DeSantis. I don't think they're going to back Trump this time around. I think eventually, like, Trump will probably be phased out of politics. Thank you. Adam says, are you accumulating coins at these prices, Tame? Not exactly these prices, but around these prices, Adam. I prefer to accumulate when the 4-hour RSI is oversold, Adam. Richard says, where is the raspy voice lady? I think she's on vacation as well. Who do you guys think is going to win president? Let's do a YouTube poll. Oh, man. Let's do a poll real quick. Let's see who you guys think will win, Ron DeSantis or Donald Trump. If I was Donald Trump and had some kind of meaningful wealth, I would hate to become president in a bear market. That's the time you make the big trades. That's the time you scoop the bottom of the market and accumulate. If he's president, he's not really able to do that legitimately and brag about it. But if he's not president, he can do it and brag about it and look like a genius when the bull market comes. So let's do a vote real quick to see who you guys think will win. Yes, sir, solid snake beater. Absolutely. If you guys want to donate some Dogecoin to my wallet, I'll put the link in the chat. But ultimately, I just accumulate. I just buy on the big dips. And currently, we're still like in a dip phase, so I'm still accumulating. Solid Snake Beater says, if you can get 40,000 Dogecoin this year and do the same next year, by 2025, you could make killer money just scalping, let alone a bull run. I thought about this, Solid Snake Beater. Even if the average person, right? The only problem is that they have to accumulate in the bear markets or rock bottom. But if somebody does work and maybe puts like 2% of their income into Doge on the rock bottoms, one of these giant oversold periods on the weekly, they could theoretically accumulate a large portion of Doge before prices skyrocket. The only problem is this is kind of our first bear cycle for Doge, with the price being above 1 cent. So a lot of retail investors don't really know how to react in a period like this. Let's do another giveaway. I'm going to roll the giveaway bot again. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is type the word Doge, and you'll be entered in the giveaway for a chance to win this crown. Alright. If you want to have a chance of winning this crown, type the word Doge. And while that's happening, let's see what Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin's a big crypto. Bitcoin's the king that a lot of other cryptos follow on the charts. So as you can see here on the 15 minutes, still parabolic SAR, but we were overbought for Bitcoin right here. And the price isn't really pumping, but it did come down just a little bit after the last pump. We had a double top here in the 15 minute. This double top generally is a bearish signal. So I think the price may fall down a little bit, or it may be at least this price range, 20,200, 20,400, while this RSI cools down. Alex Castro, $2 super chat. He says, any chance Doge will ever see 60 cents again ever? Yeah, there's a pretty good chance. Let's talk about that real quick, Alex. Let's go to a Doge chart. Thank you for the super chat, Alex. So we're going to pull up the weekly chart, Alex. Let's click auto. You see this weekly chart? So we're at this support level for Doge right here. Remember, Doge had that 4.92 support level that I called out. We only wicked down just a tiny bit under that. So a lot of people were able to accumulate on this weekly. This weekly was great. Now, if you look on this weekly, when we're overbought, when we're completely overbought, Doge is well above 60 cents, Alex. If you look right here, I think that Doge could be above 60 cents again next time we're completely overbought on this weekly. But on the short-term time frame, when we're getting overbought on the weekly, I think that price is going to be 21.45 cents on the weekly. So our next price, I'll put it on the chart again. So, and let's go ahead and draw this on the chart as well. I'm going to have to expand it a little bit. I'll just do it right here, this line. Alright. So basically, this is what I'm looking at right here. Just my perspective. My prediction. I think that we'll hit this white line right here and be above 21.45 cents before we're overbought on the weekly chart. Now that means the weekly chart, we're going to see 95 plus RSI on the weekly. I think it's very possible we bounce up here. And the thing is, depending on what kind of tweet Elon says, this could happen in a matter of seconds. So I never really like to short Dogecoin, just from my personal experience. I've done some Dogecoin shorts in the past, but I never feel good about it. Even with the stop loss, I don't feel good about it, because there's no halts, fraction of a second, it could spike up depending on what Elon says. And 21.45 is not really far from here. It's highly possible we hit that price range before being overbought on the weekly time frame. And if you look right here, we don't really have trading volume, right? We don't really have trading volume that's been pushing us down. So if we get one of these big green candles again, you can see in 1 week our price went from 6.3 around this price range right here. I'm telling you, this is a critical price range as well. A lot of people are very comfortable accumulating here, because within 1 week we went from 6.3 all the way to 44 cents. That's astronomical, right? That was parabolic movement. And the same thing will probably happen again on an Elon Musk catalyst. If he starts, for example, tweeting his buys. He starts tweeting his buys, good God. The people that are shorting Doge will be crying. Their stop loss will not even be triggered. They will be in shambles. So, just warning you guys, be very careful if you're leveraged if you want to short Doge. I don't like to short Doge. I do think we can hit 21.45 on the weekly before overbought. Now, if you look right here, our RSI on the weekly is only 22 right now with my indicators. And this is my settings right here. I use the length of 6 for crypto. DP says, have you held Doge long-term for much higher prices? Not really, DP. The highest price I've accumulated Doge was at 7 cents. So, I'm not really holding it that much. No, because if you're shorting it and liquidate, you lose your position. No, like, I think the highest I bought recently and accumulate is like around 7 cents DP. And I've been accumulating down, dollar cost averaging down. And then Bitscap Trading Bot has a feature for dollar cost averaging down. I'll put my Bitscap referral link in the chat. Bitscap has a dollar cost averaging feature that allows you to buy the dips as well. I'll put that trading bot link in the chat if you guys want to use the trading bot just for the dollar cost averaging. If you want to put like a few thousand or something and let it average down for you. Otherwise, you can manually average as well. Yeah, Musky Doge. And if you sign up on my link for the Bitscap, you get, I think, 14 days for free. You don't even need a credit card when you sign up for the 14 days for free. And the way Bitscap works, it's API. It connects to your trading account. And what I recommend for your trading account, if you're using Binance KuCoin, prevent any withdrawals from the API. You should be safe. Alright. Everybody type the word Doge if you want to enter the giveaway. I'm going to put subscribe button if you're new. Subscribe and type the word Doge in the chat. And you'll be in the giveaway to receive one of these NFT crowns. Now, I did a giveaway on Discord. A lot of people entered, and I'm going to do another one as well. And like I said before, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with winning the giveaway twice. Nothing wrong with having more than one of these. Because, hey, maybe part of the utility is you turning more than one of these to receive the upper level tier. So, hey, just adding value, teaching people about NFTs without forcing them to buy. So I'm going to set up the giveaway again on the Discord, and I'm going to do 20 more people in the Discord. Today is my birthday, so I'm doing this giveaway as well. Let me set up the giveaway real quick. All right. And then Alright, and then there are going to be 10 minutes for this. And there's going to be 20 winners. Alright, guys, 20 winners. Alright. Oh, I think I put the wrong... Let me check the giveaway channel. I think I may have made a typo. Nope, I made it. So, alright. Alright, go to the giveaways channel, and if you have not been watching earlier, all you have to do is go to giveaways channel, and then you're going to click this party hat. If it's blue, you're entered in the giveaway. There's going to be 20 winners. There's 23 entrants in the last giveaway, so only 3 people didn't win. I'm pretty sure those 3 people have a high chance of winning this time if the same amount of people enter. So it'll be hard to lose a giveaway twice when you're at that percentage. And this is going to be the crown. And then let's go ahead and roll the YouTube chat, shall we? Let me just get the Nightbot on here as well. Let's close this, guys. We've reset it, so you're gonna have to type the word Doge again to enter the giveaway. This will help get rid of all the people that went AFK. So type the word Doge. Thank you, Low Temp Poppy. Type the word Doge to enter this giveaway. If you are watching, and then after we get like at least 40 people, I'll roll the dice. Anybody in the Discord have any questions about any charts or stocks or anything we should look over? Anything that's interesting? If you have anything interesting you want to share, any questions, now's the time. We can look over it while we're waiting on these giveaways to roll out. And it doesn't have to be about trading. Maybe you see something weird with the hash rate. Maybe you see something interesting on the news. Alright, don't put big spaces. Alright, everyone. 12 eligible viewers so far have entered the YouTube giveaway. Alright. Mark says Matic is running good. That's good news because the NFT is built on the Matic blockchain. Ann Hartgrove says Doge nets 24 hours technical analysis. If you want to look at Doge real quick, we can do that. I want to look at Doge on this 4-hour time frame before I begin. Looking right here on the 4-hour, it does look like there could be room to bounce up a little bit. We did have a big wick down when people started getting liquidations right here. I think 5.99 was a sweet spot for liquidation from people that went long at tops. So I think the big support level for Doge is closer to 5.9. On the weekly, we have 4.92 support level for Doge. If we look at it on the hourly, since you want to go 24 hours, I do think on the hourly, we're slowly trying to climb up. And it's really based off of the Elon tweets or not if Doge randomly pumps. naturally, it's going to follow Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's coming down a little bit on the short time frame. The 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, Bitcoin and Dogecoin are coming down on the short time frames. But overall, within the next 24 hours, we could probably see a 4 to 5% price increase. And we could be seeing Doge in that 6.7 cents range. So, Doge could be up here. Sorry. Doge could be trading in this range up here within the next few hours. But there's also room to revisit this. There's room to revisit this liquidation point down here at 5.77. So let me so I think Doge down here, people will probably like buy it. And Doge up here, we get above this moving average, and then people will start selling their Doge. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. So if the price does fall below this liquidation price, definitely see a lot more people trading and buying the Doge. So that's the 24 hour. That's the 24 hour in Hartgrove. I'm just hoping that Elon starts tweeting his Doge buys. That's the thing I'm hoping for. Big thing I'm hoping for. Alright, so let's go ahead and check on the giveaway real quick. Alright. We have 21 eligible viewers that have typed the word Doge that's entered the giveaway. And this price right here is 6.25. And the top of the price is 0.6. I think in the short time frames, people will take profits up here. So people will probably buy between 5.4 to 5.9. And if it spikes up above the moving average, 6.25, 6.6, they'll take profits. So people do dollar cost average pair. People are dollar cost averaging. Some people don't just accumulate, they like to scalp so that they can accumulate more. So if you take profits up here above moving average and we dip down below moving average, then you just accumulated more pair. The only problem with that is if we do a parabolic movement and within 5 to 10 minutes price spikes up 10-20 cents and people cannot react. So that's the big danger with scalping, right? And if you look on the weekly time frame, it's only really happened a few times. It's only really happened a few times for Doge. So for the past 52 weeks, it has not really happened. I do still think that we can be above 21.45 cents before overbought on the weekly. That means when the weekly RSI is above 95. 14K for Bitcoin, it's possible, Kong. I think during a big liquidation, we could see $10,800. I'll show you my Bitcoin weekly chart if you guys want to see my Bitcoin weekly chart. And this one gets very interesting, guys. Let me pull up my software real quick. So the absolute low for the Delta price model, according to Glassnode, is $15,750 per Bitcoin. My personal absolute low during the bear market is $10,800. That's where I think Bitcoin could go. And that's if I think that because if we touch the Delta price, I think that liquidations will be so high because I know for a matter of a fact, there's still a lot of people that even use 1.05 times leverage. Greedy motherfuckers. 1.05 leverage at the absolute top of, talking about over 65,000 per Bitcoin. They'll be liquidate down here at the delta, and that could drive the price down to 10,800. Now, Drew Crypto on the Discord, he thinks that absolute low was 6,900, and then Peter Schiff, he thinks $1. And if you look on this weekly, we're in this oversold range. This is when people buy. This is when people accumulate. Now, the problem is, the closer you get to the low, the more the people from the top get liquidate. So, people are still waiting to fall off the shelf into the ocean floor, and then they can swim back up, right? You can't swim on the sand. You have to wait till you fall in the ocean. Then you can swim. Woo, woo, woo. So, yeah, we have not seen the absolute low for Bitcoin yet, without any confirmation of a turnaround. We did wick down as low as 17,000 and some change, but I don't believe that was the absolute low. I can't see that as being the absolute low. We probably still have at least another 2 to 3 weeks on this MACD to get ready to flip on the weekly time frame as well. But we are in this oversold range. A few more days. There's just some... the government owns a lot of Bitcoin that they may dump on the market as well. And some lawsuits are going to be able to give some Bitcoin back to some old holders that got scammed from Mt. Knots. So I think we could see $10,800 on absolute low on a really bad day, and that trading volume is going to be well over 350,000 for the daily. Keep in mind, our last weekly volume was over 1 million Bitcoin. And on the short time frame for Bitcoin,
it's dropping.
Yeah, it's dropping, but the last candle, that pump up, gave us a nice golden cross. Unfortunately, it's got us in that overbought period. So I think on the 1 hour, we'll probably come back down, and then eventually we'll start bouncing over $21,000. Yeah. Well, it would not surprise me if we go over 21,000. And I say that because, hey, anytime you're shorting a coin, you have to put those prices on your chart. Because when you enter a short, it shows your liquidation. If it's possible your liquidation's at 21,000 or below, then you have a 90% chance of being liquidated on the way up. Just from this model right here. So be very careful. If your liquidation price is 21,000 or below 21,000, you have a 90% chance of being liquidated. You still have a chance to make profit before that liquidation, but you have to be extremely cautious. Extremely cautious. I would not short near the bottom.
So now not just Voyager filed for bankruptcy, now Celsius just filed for bankruptcy also.
Funny story about Celsius. There was a guy that was going to bail them out, but when they checked the balance sheet, there's $2 billion missing.
Yeah, they got some big holes there, huh?
$2 billion missing off the balance sheet. Come on. Where does that money go? Alright. On the giveaway, guys, let's see how many people are eligible. 25 people typed Doge. I'm going to go ahead and roll the dice. Let's roll it. The winner is Albanian Crypto. Alright, so I know you have a MetaMask wallet, Albanian Crypto. Type at Tametheark and put your MetaMask wallet. And also we have this YouTube poll. 69 people voted. Let's go ahead and end that YouTube poll, see who people think is going to win president in 2024. Majority of people still think Donald Trump from these 69 votes. Interesting. Very interesting. Larry says could get a wick to 8K. It depends on exchange, Larry McGuire. I don't believe a legitimate wick to 8K. The order book has so many buys well above 10,000. There's almost more buys above 10,000 than the number of Bitcoin, which is very weird. I don't know how it's possible. When you see over 21 million Bitcoin trying to be bought above 10,000, it makes you think like, hey, these people can actually hold up the price. You have more people bidding than the supply. So when you have more people bidding than supply, whoo, good stuff right there. Bunny says, what about Voyager? I have my crypto stuck there. I, for one, I never promoted Voyager. I never used the platform. I never sent out a referral link for Voyager. In my opinion, Voyager was trashed from the beginning. They require people to ask permission to withdraw their funds. I don't like stuff like that. Now, while this is happening, while Celsius is crashing, BlockFi, Voyager, while all these platforms are running away with investors' money, you have a man, Richard Hart, working on Pulse Chain. And your chances of someone running away with your money are going to be slim to none. Because they're not going to be any middleman. When you make your trade, you can instantly withdraw it. No permission needed. That's the beauty of Pulse Chain. You don't have to suck anybody off to get your crypto away. No middleman, nothing. And look, you'll have your keys. So, not your keys, not your money. Be very careful where you put your money at. Very careful. Roger Rabbit, how did you invest in Bitcoin at $70,000 per coin? I never saw the price go to $70,000. I think like 69 and some change was the max, and there was only like 14 Bitcoin sold at that price. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, Tam.
I think Roger Rabbit's trolling. Thank you, Drew. I don't think Bitcoin went to 70,000. Who sold you your Bitcoin for 70,000?
It might have on some exchanges. Depends.
Like, it was 68.94 on Binance. And even right here, if I turn on... Here, let's turn on the volume. Oh my god, this is going to be horrible to look at. Even the volume right there is very low. Did you do it on Voyager or where? He said his broker sold it to him. Your broker? Who's your broker? Some random stranger on the internet?
This broker was like, here, buy some Bitcoin at the top.
That's more than the top. Okay.
Company top.
Albanian Crypto, I need you to type @Tametheark and put your MetaMask address. If you're typing it to me on Discord, Albanian Crypto, please let me know, because there's over 20 winners on Discord. There's going to be 40 winners, and I'm going to go through all the Discord messages one at a time to send those NFTs. Drew, are you looking at my stream?
Negative? Why, what's up?
You can pull it up on Discord if you want to. I want you to look at something real quick.
Alright, 1 second. You're not streaming on Discord.
I am.
Okay, there we go.
Look at this staircase. Ready?
Uh-huh. This
was the week of May. Look how many weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is us now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Man.
Look at this wick down. 26,000 to 32. That's a $6,000 difference spread, right?
Stairway to hell.
And then look at this one, right? 18,000. I think we can wick up to at least 22,000 again.
Yeah, a little wake up there.
I think we can wick up at least to 22,000 again, and then probably next week, boom, we get a big wick down again.
And that could be the last, because these things usually come in threes. So we got 2 major stair steps down right now, it seems like. So we would probably expect the third.
Look at this trading volume also for this week. This was about 965,000 Bitcoin. And at the beginning of June, the week of June, is 1.15 million.
Is that global or just one exchange?
And one exchange only.
Which one? That's
Binance.
Uh-huh.
But look, it's 1.15 and then 1.12. So I think it's like the same Bitcoin on their exchange being sold again. What I want to see, we're not going to see it now, but in the future, we're going to see Bitcoin weekly trading volume well over 20 million as more and more people start trading Bitcoin in and out. Because you can trade fractionals, and those fractionals do add up. But our trading volume's super low. Bitcoin trading volume is so low compared to stocks right now, compared to the global markets. And as we get more regulation and more people in crypto, this trading volume is going to increase. It's going to make scalping more profitable. It's going to make trading bots more profitable. So definitely excited for the future of Bitcoin and crypto.
I don't know why I'm still starting to think that Bitcoin's already had its day.
You have a Coinbase wallet address, Albanian crypto. It's for the NFT. It's for this NFT. So if you go to OpenSea.io and you go to your profile, and you click your address right here. You just copy your address on your profile. So link your Coinbase wallet to your OpenSea. You get this address, and then you can paste it in the chat. And that considering that NFT, Albanian crypto. Roger Rabbit is trolling, I believe. He says, I heard you guys are doing a car giveaway. Nobody's doing a car giveaway, Roger Rabbit. Bunny Chico, I think you just entered. I'll answer your question though. I don't think we hit the bottom yet for Bitcoin. I'll pull up the Bitcoin chart weekly, give you a little bit of insight for that, okay? So, here you go. I'll leave this on the screen for a second for you to read over. My opinion, I think we'll go as low as $10,800. Glassnode thinks we'll go as low as $15,750. Drew Crypto mentioned $6,900. I think it could be at least another few weeks of some downtrend for crypto. I think more and more people are starting to close their shorts. You can see this by the percentage of people that are long versus short. That's slowly changing. You're definitely going to see less people shorting as the price goes lower and lower for something like Bitcoin. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see.
What kind of catalyst do we need for this stuff to turn around?
So, for this to turn around on a macro level, you need the Federal Reserve to slower the inflation, but at the same time reduce interest rates. It's hard for them to do both of that without having some sort of innovation. And with the cancel culture in America, it's very hard to get this innovation. You have the left and the Democrats, the media, victimizing Elon Musk when his company Tesla produced over 300,000 electric vehicles per year. He was prevented from going to the EV summit at the White House. Instead, General Motors was given the prize, and during that year, they only produced 26 electric vehicles during that quarter. So, definitely, we're going to need Ron DeSantis as president or Donald Trump president for like a giant turnaround. We can't do it with the current administration. We can't do it with the current Federal Reserve. We need Jerome Powell to quit trading and focus on the economy. I feel like if you're chairman of the Federal Reserve, you should be banned from trading for life. You should not be allowed to trade bonds, which you have direct control of changing the price of bonds by changing interests. So I think we need a new administration for this to turn around. But there's another catalyst that can help us turn around very fast, and that's the supply chain side. We need China to open up their ports. You have companies like Tesla burning billions of dollars per month because they have lithium batteries stuck in Chinese ports that they are not able to retrieve and bring to America and Germany to continue their production of the vehicles. And that's just one company. Imagine tens of thousands of boats full of merchandise destined for America, destined for Europe, that cannot leave Chinese ports because their government has a lot of these areas locked down because they have a zero COVID policy. Now, you have that zero COVID policy in China, you have the lockdown in China, and then you have our American president that was backing the leader of Ukraine for this war against Russia as Russia is trying to invade Ukraine. But our president apparently missed economics. He started these sanctions on Russia, but ever since these sanctions started on Russia, the Russian ruble has grown in value against the US dollar. The Russian oil has skyrocketed in price. So, our president missed economics classes. And actually, the sanctions on Russia has ironically helped the Russian economy grow dramatically faster than anything else for the past 4 years. So, our president directly helped the Russian economy grow 4 times faster. And it's because we've increased the price of their oil. And they're still selling their oil to other people in the world. They're just not taking US dollars. They're requesting people pay in Russian rubles. So we definitely need another administration. If you're going to have a trade war, you need to do the trade war very hard, very fast, and you need more people on board. As long as they have other people buying, the trade war doesn't work.
Have you heard that the lawyers that are representing Three Arrows Capital creditors say that the physical whereabouts of the people who run it, they're gone. Nobody knows where they are. Zhu Su and Kyle Davis are their location is currently unknown.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know those guys, sorry.
Yeah, they run the 3AC, Three Arrows Capital, and that has to do with the Voyager's breakdown and everything. So I think, they're probably missing with a big bag of crypto is missing too.
Yeah, I don't know where those guys are.
I have a question, team.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, do you think that the buy the rumor of Doge 1 satellite going up in December, you think that'll push Doge to $1? Just to buy the rumor?
Wait, did they move the date from that?
Yeah, it's confirmed in December, but they're going to come out with the actual date in October.
It could help. I think now rather than buying the rumor, buying the oversold is more powerful. So,
right, but I was just asking that during that time, say October, November, December, with the buy the rumor. You know what I mean? Like with FL.
It depends. It could be a flop too. There's always that chance because a lot of people were expect. Yeah, not only that, there's a lot of people expecting some high tech stuff going on, but from what it seems, it's just like a LCD display in space that's going to have a webcam next to it that people can advertise on. So I don't know. A lot of people were excited for Dogepalooza, and that was a big flop. And we saw what happened with Doge when Dogepalooza went. Doge dropped. So hopefully it's not the same scenario. Maybe they'll pull some nice rabbits out of the hat or something and do something cool. But it seems like there's not too much tech going on into this trip to the moon.
They're having a hard time getting parts.
Antonio T, congrats on winning the NFT. This is what you win. Type @Tametheark and put your MetaMask address, and I will send you this NFT. I gave out 182 so far. 40 people won them in my Discord today, though, so that's 80 more being given away. So, definitely looking forward to sending those NFTs to everybody that won today. So, let's see.
I think if Elon Musk incorporates Doge into SpaceX and Tesla and Hyperloop as some kind of internal ecosystem economy to be headed by Doge, I think then that would probably skyrocket Doge.
Everyone who won the giveaway in the Discord, just message me your MetaMask address so that when I click these names, I'll be able to send your NFTs. And then I'm going to mark them off that I've sent the NFT to you guys. Fall of Adam won twice. Mace won twice. Shodro won twice. A lot of people won twice, so that's good. That's good. And then I'll click it and then send you guys your NFTs. I have to send about 40 of these, so it will take some time. Thank you guys for entering the giveaway. Technical analysis on charts. Yeah, GameStop holding above 140 today. That was great. I'm very happy about GameStop holding above 140. We have a lot of charts in the Discord people have been sharing. One pattern I see with a lot of these charts are that we are in this oversold period. Bitcoin's trying to recover on this 5 minute. We were completely overbought up here, and it's almost forming a bull flag on the 5 minute chart. So waving this bull flag, if we can break up, we'll probably see above $21,000. So if you have a short open and your liquidation is $21,000 or below $21,000, you may want to consider taking profits or closing your shorts. Antonio T, if you're here, you won the giveaway. You have to type at Tametheark and your message will pop up here. It will pop up here so people do not impersonate you. This is the Dogecoin chart. It has similar pattern as the Bitcoin chart. And if we get an Elon tweet when we are bullish, it's more momentum than when we're in a bearish market. So just warning you guys, dollar cost average when we get these nice dips. If you really like Doge, you can dollar cost average down. Now, there are some personalities out there that call Dogecoin a scam. I don't think Elon Musk, one of the richest men in the world, would support a scam publicly. Bunny Chico says, Tame, did you check Voyager token and VGX? It is pumping since yesterday, 14 cents to $1.
Yeah,
There's a
that's
buyout
going
rumor
crazy.
going on. I would not. I would be cautious.
Yeah, careful with that one.
Roger Rabbit, I think you're trolling.
So it looks like South Park forced Matt Damon to drink his own piss as punishment for his crypto ads.
Roger Rabbit, you're not even a mod. You're trolling. I'm just gonna hide you on the channel. Quit trolling.
Has anybody seen that South Park, the new one?
What South Park?
I guess they said they have Matt Damon drinking his own piss as punishment for his crypto ads.
Hey. Look. If Matt Damon was advertising a platform where you could short crypto, would people still be treating him like that? I don't think so. I don't think they would treat him like that at all. And hey, look. When's the best time to learn about these crypto coins? Right? You get in, you watch the charts, you read. He didn't tell people to buy a crypto. He did not tell people to buy a crypto. And I think the timing was pretty good for those advertisements. This is Super Bowl time. It's back in November. It wasn't really at the top of the run either. We've been downtrending for a while before the Super Bowl as well. So anybody entering crypto during that time, they had time to look at the charts. They had time to research the technicals of crypto as well. So I don't feel like he did anything wrong. If I did not know anything about crypto and then I watched that advertisement, I think I'd be happy to learn about crypto and learn about possibilities that you can trade cryptocurrencies. Especially there's no wash sale in crypto yet as well. Who do you think made more money in crypto? People that bought puts on Coinbase stock or people that shorted Bitcoin from the top? People that bought puts 1 year out Coinbase on day one or people that shorted Bitcoin at the top? Who do you think's made more money? On average, if you combine everybody. I think shorting the actual Bitcoins probably yielded more profits. I've seen some people up over 4,000% shorting Bitcoin from the top, and they still never close their shorts. All right, so Hit and Run Hippo says, "Happy birthday, bro! Thanks for everything you do." Thank you, Hit and Run Hippo. $5 super chat. Nice little NFT on your profile picture. I might.
So we still have like what, two years for next Bitcoin halving, right?
Yes, sir. Antonio never gave his address or typed in the chat, so I'm going to roll this again. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, type the word Doge in chat. So I'll type the word Doge. Type the word Doge in chat, and you'll be eligible for the giveaway. Okay?
So historically, Bitcoin's bottomed about 517 to around 550 days before its halving. Historically, that's its cycle bottoms before every halving. So if history would repeat, Bitcoin would still need to kind of waste about 100 to 150 days before bottoming.
Oh, wow.
So that's like according. That's only if it's going to repeat its cycles. So that's kind of the range for when the bottom would be in about 100 and 150 days, according to the bottom in relation to the halving.
Right. That's pretty. Yeah, that's. Ugh.
So that means if Bitcoin's going to bottom at, if it's still going to bottom between 517 or 550 days before the upcoming April 2024 halving, then the bottom will probably be around Q4 this year. Interesting.
So I'm going to go ahead and go through the Discord on the Show Off Your Scalps channel. And as you guys have been showing off your scalps, I did mention I'll reward you guys with a roll called Paper Hands. Now, Wall Street Bets and those guys, they use that as a derogatory sense. Paper Hands, they use that as an insult. But me, I believe Paper Hands shows that you are doing your research, you know when to enter, you know when to exit, and you're not letting emotion dictate your trades. So this is why I reward my viewers and my Discord members with the Paper Hands roll, because I think it's very important to take profits. Especially if we look at this weekly chart.
Yeah, but taking profits isn't paper hands. Paper hands is when you sold because you panicked. Panic sell is paper hand because you were under. So taking profits not necessarily paper hand.
You look on this weekly chart, people have definitely missed the opportunity to take profits in the past. There's bag holders. I'm thinking about making a bag holder roll for you guys that got stuck bag holding. If you would like that, put it in the suggestions on Discord. Let me know. General chat, crypto talk. Could definitely make a bag holders roll, but I think paper hands and people taking profits and then eventually accumulating more are doing well. And I'm still going to make the diamond hands roll. For the diamond hands roll, I'm thinking about making it so that you have to do a trade at least greater than 1,000%. That's only 10 times. And that can be with options, stocks, spot trading, or futures trading. Obviously, with futures trading, you'll probably get that 1,000% a lot faster than spot trading. Options, you could probably get there as well, depending on the timeline, but I'm definitely going to make the diamond heads roll in the Discord as well. Let's go back to the Discord, and we're going to look through some of these things. Let's see the Nightbite giveaway. 36 eligible users, type the word Doge. Let's do the dice real quick. Let's roll it. Alright. Elucidate. Looks like an Aragon picture, a nice little dragon. Type @Tametheark in your MetaMask address. You are the winner of the Crypto Crown NFT currently. So, I'm going to message you, type @Tametheark.
I'll be right back.
Alright. And let's go through the Discord real quick. Let's look at people. And we're going to go through and assign some of these roles. Because I want to be able to recognize traders who are making trades. Definitely adds up, right? Alright, so some of these trades we're seeing right here. These are some Cash King trades. Alright. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this. Alright, one moment. Alright. Sorry, I'm just trying to post this in here real quick. Alright, here we are. Let's start from the bottom down here. Crypto Rocket. Crypto Rocket. He did a Bitcoin short, I believe. No, this is a long. Okay. He longed at 19,300 and closed at 19,828. Pretty high leverage to get 134%. So, Crypto Rocket, you just earned the paper hands roll. Now you get that $ beside your name. Mooney Case. He also did a Bitcoin play, but he did a short from 20,496 to 19,326. Now this is a big spread. He obviously used a lot less leverage than Crypto Rocket, so he earned profits. Let's give him the paper hands roll. Moosey Crypto already has paper hands roll, I believe. No, he does not. Moosey Crypto did a Bitcoin play. Look at that. He went long on Bitcoin at 19,364, closed at 19,867. $500 spread. Super high leverage. Maybe even 100-time leverage. I think that's really high leverage. Very risky. But Moosey Crypto, he has the supporter role because he has the NFT as well. Congratulations on that paper hand. Alright. Look at all the people with the word crypto in their name on my server. Alright, let's look at Cash King. He did a big play. That's a nice short on Ethereum. That's a nice little spike up. I remember Ethereum when it's 1148 the other day. He did some nice plays. He held his position a little longer. He did some really good entries. Now this guy right here, 21,357, the great entry. So to do futures trade, one thing you have to do really well, you gotta get a great entry. If you get a great entry, it's very easy to want to trade on futures. So if you're a sniper, you're waiting for that hunt, you're waiting for an absolute low or absolute highs before entering, you get that entry, you're solid. You're solid. Your stop loss will probably never be triggered. Alright, congratulations on that paper hands roll. I think it's $. Alright. Tametheark. I just did a 5%. I did a very safe play. I had a decent entry. I closed it above $1. This is very low leverage. I use 5 times. I'm not super high leverage. Super high leverage, you can get stomped out of trades. It's better to consistently win low leverage trades than to get stomped out of some bigger plays. J-Mac, he said he's going to hold through the next few days, but his problem is it's a Matic short. He didn't take profits yet, so I'm not going to give him his roll, but when he takes profits and show me profits, because I know Matic has been pumping lately. If he's held this long, he's got to be careful. It's been 3 days. I know Matic has pumped since those 3 days. No ID already has the roll. He's did a 94% play on Bitcoin. He shorted Bitcoin at 21,644. Market price was 21,300 when he closed. So about a $400 spread. He also used pretty high leverage. Sinlos. And this just goes on. I closed the Bitcoin short the other day for a 15% loss because his price just spiked up. and I wanted to minimize my loss in case we were on a run. Because it's a big loss. One of my losses in like the past 2 months. Zeusy 21-1 R&R. Nice, Zeusy. Nice. Nice long. He already has the paper hands roll. I've been doing a lot of short-term scalps as well. Alright. MJ did a futures play on Binance, 25 times long, not super high leverage, but pretty high in my books, for OGN. Congratulations, MJ. You received the paper hands roll. Alright. I believe that's everybody recently that received the roll, and this channel just goes on and on. If I just let it go, it's just so many profits, so many trades. A lot of traders come into Discord and they like to share feedback on their trades with each other.
Hey team, how's it doing? Crypto Rocket here.
Hey, Crypto Rocket.
Hey, how's my audio real quick? It's a different headset. Just make sure not too loud, too soft.
Sound really good.
All right, cool. Hey, I heard you mention me there on that 134%. That was right after that CPI news come out and that big red candle come in this morning when it dropped.
Alright, so you've already closed that, right? Crypto Rocket, you've already taken profits. Did you share anything and show off your share your positions channel?
Yeah, well, yeah, show off your scalps is where I put it.
Alright, so whenever you enter a position, there's a channel called Show Your Position, Share Your Position. And you can share when you enter, and then you can edit the post when you close to let people know you closed. But don't delete the screenshot, right? Edit and say you closed, and then say like this, right? Say edit, close position at, and then you put the price and screenshot and show off your scalps. And then that's what you would do. You would edit your post and then do it with that format. If you want to show, and then maybe if you share your position, then people can give you feedback as well. Or people can be like, hey, look, my position's here. Can you go look at it real quick? And then boom, people can give feedback.
All right, sounds cool. Yeah, I'll have to do that there. Yeah, I was, like, say, this morning when that come out, I figured it was going to be a big dip, and it dipped, and then it went up a little bit, and there was a little bit of a double dip, and that's when I bought in on it. And, you're not going to hit the top. You're not going to hit the bottom. You just go for the ride.
Right.
But anyway, it was fun. So, yeah, I just want to say hi to you there. I was down your way there in the middle of June. I was there around Baden Lake, went down to the beach. Oh, I'm doubling with you. No, the delay on YouTube's getting me because I see you talking. I think I'm doubling with you.
Yeah, that's fine. I started this channel a few days ago, Share Your Position, so people can share it when they enter. But man, is it? I think this is a good channel. It's a good format. Just need people to follow the format. And I like when people share their position like this. They give a little bit of background why they entered their position, and then they share their screenshot. Maybe put some technical analysis or some fundamentals. Maybe put some rumors in there. So it's very helpful.
Hey, second question. I just opened a MetaMask account. I sent you my MetaMask account. I don't know if you got it or not. Of course, you probably got 40 of them to look at.
Yeah. Did you send the exact address?
I think I sent you the right thing. It was the Ethereum address.
Yeah, it starts with a 0. Yep, that's the address.
All right, cool. Yeah. Well, when I first sent it on Discord, the first part of it was blue. Then the second part of it was like you're doing like a hyperlink.
All right. So here's the thing. I'm gonna go ahead and go with you. Did you win the giveaway twice?
No, because the first time I was setting up a MetaMask, I had an OpenSea account set up, and okay, it's just come up there said sending NFT. And I'd never opened it MetaMask, so while we were doing the first giveaway, I was over here trying to get the MetaMask set up. So the MetaMask just set up there a few minutes ago.
All right, so I'm gonna send the NFT now. It's transferring, it's processing. This is on the Matic blockchain. All right, so it's sent to you. This is a transaction ID, and I'm gonna send that to you. And basically, hey, your profile. Sorry. This is just like your receipt. The Polygon link I sent you on Discord, that's just receipt, so we can check transaction later. If I go to OpenSea and I type your wallet address, it will pull up your profile. And that NFT may be hidden, by the way. So when you check your profile, make sure it's not hidden, okay? If you're watching a YouTube stream, you go to your profile, you go down to more, and you see the word hidden. The NFT may show up there.
Yeah, I've run into that before. Hold on here. Am I transmitting or not? I don't think I'm transmitting. Hold on a minute.
Right.
Yeah, I'm transmitting. Okay.
So
well, that's kind of weird because it's put. I've got the tilde key set up and it's sending that as a message in Discord while I'm holding that down transmitting. That's very strange.
if you guys are watching the
All right, I got it now.
YouTube stream right here, this MACD is about to flip over bullish for Doge. We may start breaking above that. If we break above 6.22, that would be great for Doge. And remember, people are probably going to start taking profits up here. So don't be surprised if you start seeing large candle wicks as we get closer to this red zone. Thanks for everyone for being in here watching tonight for the birthday stream. Let me check the giveaway real quick. Elucidate, are you still in the YouTube chat? Hit that like button if you're in here and you want some technical analysis. Just write in the chat, write at Tametheark. Tell me a stock ticker or tell me a crypto ticker. I'll be happy to look it up for you guys. Happy to do a little bit of research for you guys out there. And if you're on the Discord, you can just voice. Save a lot of time that way.
Hey, do you turn the NFT detection on MetaMask? Is that assess, or it says allow MetaMask to automatically detect NFTs?
You can.
Okay, all right. I didn't know if I should have that on or not.
But you're viewing the NFT on OpenSea.io.
Ah, that's why I'm not seeing it.
So go to OpenSea.io. You're going to connect your MetaMask there. You're going to view your profile there. And then you're going to check that hidden tab.
All right, give me a couple minutes. Let me check that out there. Happy birthday, by the way.
Thank you. As we get closer out of summer, I'll probably be streaming a lot more. And I'm trying to get more people to share. Like, we already have plenty of people in the Discord. So I'm trying to get more people to use the same format so we can share the information at a faster speed. Human brains are very fast, right? So if we can get that information in a nice format so we can read it clearly and then execute, it's going to be better for traders. Some people are lone wolves. They like to trade alone, but as a human being, you're programmed to hunt together with other human beings. You're programmed to socialize with other human beings. So it's great to have the feedback and support of other traders. Because, hey, maybe somebody goes long on a play, but they did not see the news, right? Maybe somebody goes and buys puts for Boeing, but right before that, news came out that China did not buy their planes and they went with Airbus, right? Or a Boeing plane just randomly crashed into the mountains, right? So it's good to share information with people. Good to get feedback. Now, we don't offer financial advice. We don't help you enter or exit trades. I don't, personally. I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm happy to give feedback on a lot of these companies, on a lot of these cryptos or chart patterns. And then I'll share my trades as well. I share a majority of my trades on futures. For the spot trade, it's more boring, more accumulation on the spot trade. I mean, I might do like over 300 accumulations throughout a 365-day span. And I may not do any sales for like 1 to 2 years. And announcements like the other day I was live streaming on YouTube, I had 8 wins, 0 losses. It's pretty good scalping. If people copy me, great. But I don't encourage people to copy me. I encourage them to watch and to learn my trading style. Maybe use me as a trading indicator, right? these indicators are not financial advice, but they give you some good indication on what's happening. And I'm human. I will make mistakes as well, and I will try to be very transparent about those mistakes, because if you're using me as an indicator, you deserve to know when I make my mistakes, and maybe you can learn why I make my mistakes. Generally, the most mistakes that I made this year, one, I was shorting Ape a little bit too early a few times. And then another few trades, I was longing Doge just on the hopes and speculation that Elon tweet would cause it to pump faster. The other day, Elon tweeted, I was already long. My position went up automatically 10%. But by the time I could take profit, the price was already back down retraced, so I did not take profit. So that was another one of my mistakes this week. Still holding my Doge long, though. Other than that, I'm on the sidelines waiting for some other plays. What's up? Let's see. Did he... Elucidate did not enter, so I'm going to roll it again. Ann Hartgrove is the winner of the NFT. Ann Hartgrove, if you're still here... Alright. Are you here? I'll type it in the chat. If you're here, just type at Tametheark, and then I'll give you some time to get your MetaMask address. And this is the NFT that you win. Oh, current price is $111. I think it's because Matic is going up in value. Zeus is trying to sell his. Kizzle's trying to sell his. These two are trying to sell theirs for like under $120. Interesting. Easy Mill has two. He's trying to sell some. I don't think I'm trying to sell any of mine. Yeah, I'm not trying to sell any of mine. Only these few people are trying to sell theirs. I will be making some utility where you can redeem a higher level crown with some of these lower level crowns in the future, though. One thing I'm noticing, not a lot of trading volume. Definitely not a lot of trading volume. Looking at that. So, not super worried about the Doge right now. And let's see real quick. Alright, so I'm going to do the task of sending people their NFTs. I have to send out 40 of these NFTs. 40 of these bad boys. Giveaway bots. Let me do the giveaway channel real quick. I'll leave the chart up though. There's a lot of NFTs giveaway. Crypto Rocket, are you here?
Yeah, I'm confused on this. I'm just gonna be first to admit the NFT stuff it drives me crazy.
All right, so I'm gonna help you.
What was it you actually sent me? Because I've got 4 in there. I've got the mask you sent. I think back.
So it looks like a crown.
Okay, well I've got the one. That's the bronze crown. I got that back in February.
So I just sent you another one then.
Okay, and
nothing wrong with having more than one copy of an NFT. It's actually good.
I've actually got some stuff in here. I have no idea where it came from.
So did you unhide it? Right? Did you go hidden and unhide it?
Where's the hide? Where do you unhide it at?
All right, so you're gonna go to your profile.
Okay.
And you're gonna see a button at the top that says more. It's gonna be beside the words collected, created, favorite, activity. You're gonna see more, and you're gonna see.
Well, see, that's where I get in trouble here. I'm on the desktop, and it keeps popping up saying connect my wallet.
Yeah, go ahead and connect your wallet.
Well, that's. Then it wants me to install MetaMask for my browser. I've already done that.
So, are you using it on the same browser that your MetaMask is on? Let me ask you that.
Yeah, it's all on Google Chrome.
Okay. In the future, you might want to use Brave, but so you already have MetaMask, right?
Right. Well, okay, it says add to Chrome here. Hold on a minute.
Are you sure it's added on your Chrome already?
Well, it may have on my. Okay, let me see. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, we're doing something here now. Okay, get started. Import wallet, create wallet. So I want to import wallet.
Well, I'm gonna log out, and then I'm gonna profile. Do you see where it says MetaMask Connect Wallet?
Let me back up here. Hold on a minute.
So your wallet's not imported on that Google Chrome?
Well, see, part of it's set up on my phone, and now I'm trying to get it set up on the desktop. But I thought it should be all on the same thing, but apparently it's not.
No. Okay, so let me tell you something real quick, all right? Before you say anything else. Don't say anything else. Please don't say your seed phrase. Don't write it down. Don't take pictures of it, all right? Don't.
Oh, yeah, okay. I know that. Okay, I'm good.
All right. So when you import your seed phrase on there, definitely don't do it while you're screen sharing as well.
No, I don't have screen sharing on.
I'm about to eat my birthday present, so I got this birthday present today. It's a croissant. It's wrapped with chocolate. It's $1 at the German grocery store. Pretty nice. We'll be eating this. We have about 10 more minutes left in this stream. And trying to get Ann Hartgrove his NFT, or her NFT. Can't tell nowadays. You could be a man on the internet and use a female's name. That's happened a few times. So. If you're here in Hartgrove, go ahead and let me know you're here, and I'll give you time to send your MetaMask address. On the 15-minute, we're still downtrending a little bit, but I think the MACD is about to flip over bullish for Doge on the 15. On the hourly, we're still exiting from being overbought, so it's a very scary place. Last time we were overbought like this, Doge spiked up. It spiked up to 6.2 and then came down even harder. So very careful. This is on the hourly. Look at this spread. 6.2 all the way down to 5.7. That's what I call a liquidation candle. Be very careful of these liquidation candles. And if you notice right here, we had another double top at 6.2. Now, downtrend's been slowly downtrend, so people are very inclined when they want to take those profits. They will take those profits and crash the price. And Hartgrove is not here. I'm going to roll it again for everybody who typed the word Doge. Roger Rabbit, I muted Roger Rabbit earlier for trolling, so I'm going to roll again. Sean Knotts. If you're here, Sean Knotts, type at Tametheark. Congratulations, Sean Knotts. I'll message you. Are you here, Sean Knotts? I'll come back and check on this. Bunny Chico says, Blaze, what do you think USTC will pump again like it did a week back? USTC. It's hard to pump that. I think Luna's dying. I think eventually that whole ecosystem will go towards zero. Nobody wants to buy it. It's not worth anything. It has no value. It was rugged. I don't think people want to buy it. Any of those pumps are manipulated and artificial at this point. So use caution if you're trading Luna. All right, Rockets. What's your status so far?
Well, I'm linked, but I'm still trying to figure out where the hidden folder is.
All right, so
when you sent that to me before,
Here,
when you sent that to me before,
you, okay?
Hold on. Were you on a YouTube channel?
Discord, YouTube, whichever one you want to look at, buddy.
All right, I'm on YouTube right now.
All right,
I can go to Discord either
click
or.
profile.
There's a little bit of delay on the YouTube.
And then when you're in your profile, you're going to click that more button over here. And then it's going to show you hidden down here.
Let me go over to Discord because I think there's too much delay there. Let me find it here. I got too many screens up on this computer.
All right.
All right, you went to... Okay, I'm watching you on Discord now. There shouldn't be no delay.
All right, so this is my profile. And then over here you see collected, created, favorite. You click this more button. And then there's going to be the hidden tab.
Okay. All right. Let me see if I can find that. Hold on.
All right.
Let's see here. See, that's what's weird.
You may have drop down. You may have hamburgers. Hamburgers are like 3 lines.
Well, no. I click profile and it keeps coming up wanting to connect my wallet, and I've already connected the wallet.
So when you click your plugin at the top, do you see this plugin that says extension? Right, so
let me get back over there to you.
So you're not logged in?
Mm-hmm. Well, that's what it acts like, but let me...
You should be logged in if you're already on MetaMask. So go ahead and log in your MetaMask. Open up MetaMask.
Hey, Crypto Rocket, refresh your whole page. I've seen it a lot on OpenSea where it doesn't show you're logged in, but you are logged in.
Well, he may not be logged in MetaMask. He may set it up, but you have to log in every time you open your browser.
Oh, I got you, Tim.
Yeah, let me refresh this thing because it's saying it's logged in, but it doesn't act like it's logged in for some reason. It keeps wanting to me like to add a MetaMask account to it. That's weird.
Well, go ahead and log into MetaMask, right?
All right, let me get over there.
And then after you log into MetaMask, refresh. I personally don't like Google Chrome.
Yeah, it's buggy. Yeah, it does. It shows no activity on MetaMask.
Yeah, it's not going to show on MetaMask. But are you logged in? Do you see that you're logged in? Did you type your password?
Yeah, it's logged in.
Okay, now go to OpenSea.io.
All right,
here, I'm going to log out and then show you from the beginning.
Yeah.
So, do you see this page where it says MetaMask?
Let me get over where you're at. Let me get over on the Discord.
If your page looks like my page,
yep, that's exactly what I got right now.
So, you click MetaMask, right? Make sure you log in MetaMask and then click it. Then boom, I'm automatically logged in. If yours doesn't log you in like that, then possibly use Brave browser.
Hold on now.
Google
it's coming
Chrome
up. Okay.
tracks a lot of your data.
Yeah, it popped up and it says MetaMask notification connect with MetaMask. Select the account to use. Okay, so now it's wanting me to tell me to select the account. Okay,
all right,
so maybe it wasn't linked.
That's a good start. And then you're going to link your account.
We're connecting.
All right. And because once you get this set up, I'm going to help you do something else. You already have the NFT. After you unhide it, I'm going to show you something else. If anybody wants to join the Discord with us, I'll put the link in the chat. Ba-da-da. Boom, boom, boom. The link is in the chat if you want to join the Discord. Join us. Let's see.
Well, see, this isn't my main OpenSea account. That's what's weird. This is like opened another account.
All right, that's fine.
Because this says a name.
Where's your main account at, right?
Well, OpenSea would be my main account. I've already got an OpenSea account.
Okay, so your other OpenSea account's linked to your other wallet then.
Mm-hmm.
So where's your other MetaMask wallet, or was it a Coinbase
only
wallet?
Have
or
one.
wallet?
I just opened a MetaMask tonight.
So you had an OpenSea before without any MetaMask?
Right. And you sent me an NFT. I think it was back in February. The crown, when you first sent those crowns out, I was back.
No, you
I think
you don't have a
February,
profile
March.
without having a wallet first.
You sent it to me to OpenSea.
So back then, you either had a Coinbase wallet or you had a MetaMask wallet.
I had a Coinbase wallet.
Okay, then your Coinbase wallet is the address for your other OpenSea. That's the problem.
Oh, okay.
So you'll have to find that information.
All right. Well, yeah, I know nothing about this NFT stuff. I'm learning. Give me credit.
So that you learn. So do you still have your MetaMask, or what your MetaMask, your Coinbase wallet for the other OpenSea?
Yes.
And did you use the same browser, Chrome?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna have to. I recommend you download Brave browser now, and then you use that Brave browser for your Coinbase wallet, and then you use your Google Chrome for your MetaMask wallet, so that you don't get the two confused. So that you. But you don't have anything in this new MetaMask wallet, right?
No, it's empty. There's nothing in it.
The address you sent me, was that your Coinbase wallet?
No, that was the MetaMask wallet.
Oh, so you do have something in there now. So
there's not. It doesn't show anything there.
no, it's going to show in your OpenSea. Did you go to that hidden tab?
Let me get back over there.
Yeah, the NFT is there. I can pull it up. I can do a code and pull it up and look in there.
Yes, it is there. Right. Yes, it is there.
So
yeah,
gonna
I got
unhide
it.
So after you click hidden, you're going to click the three dots below it that says more options, and then you're going to unhide.
Unhide it. Yep, we got it. Yep.
And look at this.
Let me get back over there to the Discord. I'm using one screen here.
So when you, after you unhide it, I'm going to go to your profile, and then after you unhide it, let me know, and then I'm going to open your profile for the YouTube.
Yeah, it should be unhidden.
Did you unhide it?
It should be.
So
Let me
can you
double
do
check.
me a favor? Can you copy
Okay.
the address of your... Can you click the share button?
On the
On
MetaMask?
OpenSea.io and then copy the link and send it to me on
Hold
Discord?
on. Oh, you're going a little fast for me.
On OpenSea.io.
I'm using one screen here, so...
Or just copy the link at the top of your OpenSea.io.
let me
The page URL at the very top. Just copy it and send it to me on Discord.
Okay. It's all thing it's showing is OpenCIO. There's nothing. It's not like a specific address.
Your profile.
Oh.
So go to your profile tab.
Okay. All right.
And then when you're in your profile tab, there's a share button. It's right beside the dots up here.
I got it. Yep. Okay.
Copy that link and
copy
send
link.
it to me.
All right. Will do. Stand by.
And then I'm going to see if that's the same address as...
Well, I think that's a different address than my other OpenSea account. I think now I've got two OpenSea accounts, I believe.
Right.
Somehow. Magically did that. Let me see how to send you a message here. See, I'm not really up on how the Discord all works.
So
here.
in
Let me
Discord,
see.
I sent you a message again. It's going to be on the top left. You can just click the home page, top left, and then you can see my name up there. Thank you, Asia, for the $10 super chat. Thank you for the happy birthday wish, Asia. Thank you. Let's turn on the full camera for that. Thank you, Asia, for the birthday wish. Woo. I'm gonna eat me a bite of this birthday croissant. You guys want to see something cool? Let me show you something cool, guys. My sweet potato has been growing. I haven't eaten in this one, but look at this cool guy. He now looks like a snail. He's starting to sprout out right here. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I may want to try to help trigger it sprout a little bit more. My sweet potato is growing. I wish I would have captured pictures of it on a daily, turn it into an NFT, but I did not do that. Maybe from here on out I can feed it and let it grow a lot bigger. So let's go back to Doge technical analysis real quick.
You should have that link.
Alright, you sent it to me. So I can already tell that's a different address. Like, look at the first address you sent me. The first link, it's like 0x68. The second one's 0x214. So definitely you sent me a second address different. So I think...
Well, that would have been... The one there would have been the one I got from MetaMask. But see, that would be a different than the other NFT you sent me back in February.
Did you unhide the NFT because I don't see it on this wall on this?
Now it should be. Hold on here. Let me go to collected. Yeah, I don't see it either. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't hit save. Hold on here.
Here, I don't know if I'm gonna do this on live stream. I know a trick to see all the hidden ones on OpenSea. It's might be a breach of terms and service, so definitely not doing that.
All right, let me get back here. Oh, here we go. Hidden. Yep, it still says it's hidden. Let me fix that.
Yeah, click that drop down and unhide it.
Unhide. Ah, I got to hit it again.
And
all right.
save it.
One item was unhidden from your profile. It's there now.
All right, I'm gonna refresh your profile. All right, I see the item now on your profile page. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I didn't second. That's fine. So this, for some reason, I guess maybe what I need to do is go into my original OpenSea account and try to link that MetaMask over there.
Well, here's the thing, right? This profile is linked to your wallet already. So this is your Coinbase wallet. For the other one, just import your seed phrase, use a Brave browser.
Okay. You think I can link them together then?
I mean, if you really want to get that NFT. Otherwise, you can just transfer that NFT to this address.
Right, to my other one. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So
Okay.
from the other wallet, all you got to do is click the NFT. And you're going to click this arrow that says transfer. When you click the
I need
transfer...
to bring the screen up here. Hold on. I'm on the wrong screen on Discord here.
And I'm going to send the address where you should send the NFT to.
All right, I'm watching now.
So you're going to copy this address on your page.
Right.
Copy it. I'll send it to you on Discord. You can just copy it and paste it. So that's the address you want to send your other NFT to if you want it on the Coinbase wallet. Which wallet do you want? Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet?
Well, I'll be putting it on a Coinbase. But now,
well, I
you
want to know
can't
which
link
wallet's on your
MetaMask
computer right
and
now.
Coinbase. You can't have MetaMask and Coinbase on the same OpenSea account.
No, you cannot because it's two separate wallet addresses. Your
Your
profile,
okay.
all the games, all the benefits are linked to one wallet address. You cannot have multiple wallets per profile.
On OpenSea.
Right.
That's what got me. That's what got me in
You
trouble.
can have two OpenSea profiles, right? They're going to be
exactly
because your
right.
profile is directly linked to the wallet address.
That's what got me. Okay, see, I could see the other OpenSea account's already on Coinbase. Okay, so yeah, I could transfer it over there if I wanted to, but I really don't. There's no reason I have to.
It's free. I think it's free to transfer that NFT if you want to send it over.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Either way, I could do it. Yeah.
Apple or Banana says thoughts on GameStop Marketplace so far. I like it so far. I actually applied to be a creator for the GameStop NFT platform. I hope they approve it. If they don't approve it, then I just have to step up my game. So, Crypto Rocket. My Discord has a special role if you link the NFT, so this is what I'm trying to help you do.
Yeah, we can do it. We can
do you want to do the one that's already on your browser right now?
The one that you're displaying or my other one? It doesn't matter. We can go either way.
So once this is linked, that's on your account. That's the account you're going to be using. So decide now, Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet?
We can just use the Coinbase wallet because I got more NFTs on the Coinbase wallet.
So here's what you're going to do on Discord. Are you watching YouTube or Discord?
Discord, because it's a little bit quicker.
All right, so I can't share this on Discord, but there is a channel on my server. It's called Claim Roll.
I'm looking for it now.
Mm-hmm. Discord's alphabetical, by the way. It's right under charts.
Roll, I'm there.
You're going to type !join. Alright, so when you type !join, here's what I want you to do. The bot's gonna DM you. It's gonna look like handshaking, collab land. Don't click here. When it says click here, don't click here, okay?
Okay.
I want you to right click and then copy link. And then for the same browser that your MetaMask, your OpenSea's in, that Google Chrome, just paste that link in your browser.
I lost you.
Alright, so on Discord, do you see where it says click here?
No, okay. I got Crypto Rocket. Please check DM.
Don't read it all out loud.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Right click and did you see where it says the words click here?
I see. Please check.
All right, check your DMs, and you're gonna get a message from the bot that says, "Connect."
Yeah,
your
I got
account.
there. Okay. Okay. Yep. I
Don't
see it.
click here,
That's
though.
where it was in. Okay. Okay.
Right click and copy link. After you have the link copied, let me know.
Copy message link or just copy link. Yeah. Okay. I got click here. I hit copy link.
Because
Okay, I
if
can
you
click
copy,
here.
yeah, copy link.
Okay. Yeah. On where it says click here, left click, copy link. Got that.
Go back to your Google Chrome.
I'm going to Google Chrome here. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Now paste the link. Control V or right click paste. And then when you have the link there, let me know.
All right. It's up there. You don't want me to say what it is?
So if it's up there, read the contract, and then does the contract say, what permissions does the contract ask for?
It just says connect to a wallet.
I know. Okay, so look in MetaMask. And then MetaMask, it should be asking you for the permissions. So you may have to click your MetaMask plugin at the top. Always read these permissions with NFTs.
It actually come up with a QR code for me to scan.
Oh, no. No, you don't scan a QR code.
That's when I clicked MetaMask, it said scan QR code.
Really? You're not already logged in your MetaMask?
It should be, yeah. It says open Coinbase wallet on your phone and scan this code by tapping start.
Oh, because your Coinbase wallet's not logged in your Chrome, is it? Or is it?
It should be.
So you have Coinbase wallet plugin on Google Chrome right now?
Should be. Let me go check my plugins.
Okay, just making sure, because you said you were using MetaMask. I want to make sure. Is Coinbase wallet on your phone?
Yes.
Okay, you can scan it on your phone as well. But I want to make sure it's the same wallet. I mean, either way, at this point, both wallets have that NFT. Cameron says, thanks, Tam. I finally won something. What did you win, Cameron? Did you win a NFT in the Discord? I'm still waiting on Sean Knotts to reply. Are you in here, Sean Knotts? No messages so far. I think I'm just going to re-roll this. Tama JL. Tama JZL. Are you in the channel? You are the winner. Let me tag them, see if they're still here.
See, this is the same thing. This is what same thing I got when I try to add MetaMask. It goes up, hops up on my phone like I want to download a wallet, like I don't even have Coinbase wallet on my phone. That's what's strange.
Well, are you already logged in Coinbase wallet?
Oh, well, my phone is.
Are you logged in Coinbase wallet on your browser?
Should be.
Can you confirm it? Can you see the plugin and can you see that you're logged in? Log in it before you click that link. Go ahead and paste that link after you log in Coinbase wallet.
All right, hold on.
You don't stay logged in, that's the thing. I hope you don't stay logged in your wallet. I don't stay logged in my bank account on my computer. My computer has the password.
Well, there's another little thing here I'm not telling you.
Okay.
This isn't a Windows machine.
Okay, that's fine.
It's running Linux.
That's fine. No, that's fine, because you're still in the browser.
Right, I'm still using Chrome browser, but I don't worry about as much, you know, with all the vulnerabilities Windows have. Yeah, this is the same runaround I got before. It acts like it's not logged in for some reason on the browser, and I'm pulling my hair
so you
out.
click the Coinbase Wallet browser plugin and you logged in?
Well, I don't see that. Well, I don't see that at all.
Well, if you don't see it, then you can't confirm that you're logged in.
Well, I don't see that I guess what I'm saying is the only way I'm gonna. I mean, I don't know how to bring up the I don't know how to bring up the plugin.
I'll show you.
All right, let me go over to Discord.
You see this button right here that says extensions?
I need to get. Hold on a minute. I need to get over here to where I can see what you're doing. Hold on.
If you're watching my Discord, it's this button that says extensions at the top. It looks like a puzzle piece.
Yeah, hold on. I gotta get over to the live. I'm on the
Actually,
wrong
I'm using
screen.
Brave browser. It looks different than Chrome. But
Yeah, I can download Brave.
But they're
I can
similar.
download
They
both.
both should be a puzzle piece, right?
Let me give over what you're
Let me
saying.
open
Okay.
up Google Chrome. I haven't used. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's a puzzle
Okay.
piece.
I'm watching you now.
All right, you see this puzzle piece?
Yes.
That's
Well, I don't know if I see it on my browser or not. Hold on. Oh,
Just
yeah,
so-
I got it on my browser.
So
Yep.
when you click that, do you see Coinbase?
Coinbase wallet and MetaMask both. Coinbase wallet. I can't talk. Coinbase wallet extension.
So
And
click the Coinbase wallet and then see if you're logged in.
scan QR code. Open Coinbase wallet with your phone and scan this code by tapping.
Yeah, go ahead and do that.
But that's going to take me back to my phone, and then my phone tries to download Coinbase wallet.
Oh, so you don't already have it on your phone?
No, it's on my phone. Yeah, that's the same. See, this is the same thing that happened when
Open
I
up
first.
Coinbase wallet. So you can
On my
open up
phone?
Coinbase wallet on your phone, and there
Yep.
should be a QR scanner on there.
Yeah. Okay. Ah. Okay. Hold on. Okay. All right. Let me see here. All right. And now let's see what happens. Okay, that's what I think the problem was. I was just using the regular. Hold on here. Your wallet is connected to wallet extension. I think I just did it.
All right, so you're good. So this is the problem with Coinbase wallet, right? You're gonna have to go through those hoops. If it's just MetaMask, you're not gonna have to go through the phone hoops and everything.
Yeah. Well, I've got the MetaMask app on my phone too.
So do you have MetaMask on your browser, your Brave browser?
No, I don't have Brave
Not
downloaded
Brave, but
yet.
Google Chrome browser.
Yes, it says I've got. Yes, if I look the puzzle piece up, I've got Coinbase wallet and MetaMask.
So how about this? Let's just keep it simple. Let's use the Coinbase wallet later, but for now, let's use the MetaMask.
Okay, that's cool.
I want you to log into MetaMask, and then after you log into MetaMask, then you can paste that link.
The the one I sent you originally when you sent me the NFT,
Right. Yep. Well,
and that would be the 0x214.
yes. But
Okay.
but first, when you after you're logged in MetaMask, let me know.
I'm in there.
So you're logged in now. Do you remember that link that the Discord sent you that says right click or to click here?
Let me get back over
Check
there.
your DMs.
Yep. Let me get back over to Discord here. Boy, I need to set up more monitors.
Tell me about it.
Yeah.
Tell me about it. You need more
Yeah.
monitors?
Try and do it with single monitors and possible. Well, I've actually got another computer here that
I
sits
got
and
a
runs.
lot of monitors.
Oh yeah. I've seen your setup. It's pretty cool. That's what I need.
I like that one for standing. I use that one for standing and then just like chill or relax setting.
Okay, let me get over here to my messages now. We're probably boring everybody, but maybe we're helping somebody.
Maybe somebody's being helped by this. Alright, so... It's going to take me a while to send all these NFTs to all the winners.
So you want me in the You want me in the message that you sent to me, or back into that other
No, the bot sent you the message.
Okay, yeah. Where it said click here to connect your account, right?
Yep, so right click, copy link, and then paste it in your browser.
Okay, all right. Let me get back.
It may have time. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Paste it in your browser and then let me know.
Oh, I must not have paste. Oh, I see what the problem was. Yep. I picked the wrong key to use PTT.
You use the wrong key. Alright, so after you do that, let me know.
Now I'm getting error not found.
Really?
404 error not found. It is expired.
Alright, so go back to claim roll again because it is time. And then type exclamation mark join.
Hold on. All right, let me get back over to claim roll. Now I've got I call it the tilde key, and then every time a place comes up to type, it's putting in the little tilde marks.
Let me see real quick if I can edit this. So you said you won the second giveaway?
Yes.
I'm trying to So I think I can edit the bot messages. No, I can't edit the bot message.
Hey, this thing popped right up. Which wallet would you like to use, Coinbase or MetaMask? And I didn't even click there. I just copy linked and it popped up.
Great.
You have multiple wallet extensions installed on your browser.
Use the MetaMask, probably.
All right. It's a go on.
And after you link it, let me know what happens. Let me go ahead and create a database for all the winners real quick, so I can see how many NFTs I have to send to each person.
Okay, and back on that one page, it says wallet is connected. Please check assigned roles.
All right, so just wait a few minutes. And then so you'll know in a few minutes. Let's see.
Yeah, it says wait 2 minutes.
Do you see the channel where you type claim role? All right, look at your name. You see your name now?
Let me get back over here. Look here. Hold on a minute.
All right, you were given the role.
Oh, okay. Hold on here.
I feel like it took away your paper hands role, though. Very important.
Didn't know I had that.
I gave it to you earlier when I put about the screenshot, but yeah, the bot gave you that role now.
So that would be over on the right-hand side where the list all the names are?
Yes.
So what color? Okay, I'm in green. I'm in the green. Okay, paper hands 3. Okay.
Do you see the crown beside your name as well?
No.
What do you see beside your name?
Just the generic
Type in
icon.
general chat.
Let me get general chat. Hold on. I'm in general chat.
All right, so and then you should get, like, you have the custom role though.
There, I just typed test. I've got the crown there beside me.
Yep. The bot gave you the role. That's the power of you having that NFT. Now you have that custom role. And
okay, and that's because that's linked back to Discord.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are the man.
And then when I program a game or a website or something, and you link your NFT to my website or my game, you'll have that role, so you'll be able to unlock those characters and stuff in the future. So.
Cool.
So
I'm learning. This is stuff.
Discord. So
yeah, this is stuff that I know very little about.
But hey, that website, I tried to get you to read it to me. You didn't read it before confirming the permissions. Did you see that permissions page on MetaMask?
Permission? Yes.
What did the permissions ask you? Because I'm telling you, there are going to be NFTs that say mint for free, but when you give it permissions, it's going to have permissions to withdraw your crypto, and you're going to wake up with
I don't have any crypto in that account, so.
I know, but it can do it in the future.
Right,
and
right.
It's going to scan your wallet, and then when it has crypto in the future, boom, come and takes it. So be very careful.
There's no crypto in there.
Yeah. We went from like 300 viewers down to 50 viewers.
Oh my God! We need to talk about something a little better now.
and the price of Doge is about the same.
Well, I doubt if I'm going to move Doge very much.
It's like Doge is still about the same price as when I started this stream.
You guys was talking earlier, and I was getting this mic set up. What do you think the midterm elections is going to have on crypto? Do you think that could be a catalyst?
It depends.
Depends on which way it goes.
Yeah, and depends on who supports crypto, who doesn't support crypto.
Right. Well, I mean, you were talking about catalysts, and that, the political side, that's probably the next big thing before the, next presidential election is what happens in the midterm.
All right, so let's just say crypto is an asset, right?
Okay.
What's one of the bigger assets that a large majority of Americans buy?
For investing, probably gold.
Okay, gold. What's something else? It's both an asset and something they live in.
Well, their house, of course.
Yeah, so What do you think happens to the housing market when we increase interest rates to borrow money to buy a house?
Oh, well, it's going to go down. I mean, I've got friends in banking, and, the higher the interest rate goes, the less your buying power you have. If you have, if you're borrowing X amount of dollars and can afford so much this month payment, the higher the interest rate goes, the more money you're putting toward interest, the less house you're going to be able to buy.
So do you think the same thing applies to crypto? It's an asset, right? Do you think interest rates are higher, less people are going to buy that asset?
Oh, if you're borrowing money to buy crypto, but
Have you ever bought a house before?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm still paying on a house.
Borrowed money against a house?
Oh, yeah.
So when you buy a house and the value goes up, you're allowed to borrow more money against your house.
Oh, exactly right.
So, but if interest rates are going up and less people are buying, your house value theoretically goes down. That means you can borrow less money against your house. That means less people can borrow money. That means less people will borrow money to buy assets like crypto, like Bitcoin, and then boom, that triggers the bear market.
Right, but what we have around here, though, and I think a lot of people are going to get upside down on, is the people that borrow money against their house. They go out and buy things that lose value, like side-by-sides, boats, the fourth and fifth car, and then before you know it, the value goes down on your home, and then you're underwater, and then you owe a whole bunch of money on this, that, and everything else. And boy, I tell you what, I can come up with a list of mile-long people get in that situation.
The American dream of refinancing.
Oh yeah, but it's probably the more you refinance it, you're never going to pay it off.
Right. Well, you're never going to pay it off, but who needs to pay it off when they keep accumulating? When they keep borrowing money against it?
I'm working toward paying it off. Once it's paid off, I don't want to borrow money against it.
So wait. Let me ask you a question. Would you rather pay off your house, or would you borrow money against it and buy an asset that you think could grow in value, like Bitcoin? What do you think is going to double first, your house or Bitcoin? From your opinion, right here, these price levels, do you think your house is going to double in value or Bitcoin's going to double in value first?
I think you would have
macro level.
It would mean on what term you're talking to. Are you talking 30 years or in the next year?
So in 30 years, what do you think will hold more value, Bitcoin or your house?
I would say probably Bitcoin over the period of time. And I see where you're getting at. Borrow the money against the house. So it, hopefully 10, 100, 1,000 times multiplies out, which you can obviously pay the loan off for next to nothing and walk away with it. So it does make sense as long as you're the idea that Bitcoin continues to go up.
Right. So as long as you're not spending that money, right? That's a big thing. You're not spending that money. You're buying another asset that you believe will appreciate faster. Same thing. What do you think is going to grow faster in 30 years? Facebook stock or your house value? By percentage. Facebook's just
Okay. All right. I'll throw some numbers house here. This house that I live in was built in 1976. Okay.
It's a pretty
how
old
much
house.
you think? How much you think his house was built for in 1976?
What city are you in?
I'm in Southeast Ohio.
So you're in Southeast Ohio, 1970. Can you tell me square footage?
2,500.
2,500 square feet, probably about $74,000.
$34,000.
$34,000. Wow. Does it use real hard wood floors?
No. Well, I mean, now, not originally when it was built, no. But we've come in and remodeled it.
What kind of floors did it use when it was built, tile?
Well, most of it was carpet. I mean, and a lot of it was vinyl too. There was some tile and stuff, but all that's all been replaced. That's all been. That's all. I mean, now it's ceramic tile. Hardwood floors.
But your house value plus the land. What was the value back then total?
Of the land?
Yeah, land.
Well, the land actually come in my family. It was actually inherited land.
So that's the thing. That's the thing with assets. You can help your family members inherit them without paying taxes.
Oh yeah. Well, the thing about land here in this area, I mean, it's just absolutely went insane. I mean, the value of it. It's you look at what land was going for 25, 30 years ago today, it's an acre in the early 80s would cost you $1,000. I mean, now you're looking at $50,000 for an acre.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, here goes the candles right here. Here comes a little dippity on Doge. it is time for me to end this birthday stream. We've been live for about 2 hours, 30 minutes. The last winner did not write their address. I will be back on tomorrow, possibly. Probably market open tomorrow. I'll probably try to be back on. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm glad I could help you set up your role on Discord, Crypto Rocket.
Hey, I appreciate it. Happy birthday! And like I say, are we still live on YouTube?
Yeah, we're still live on YouTube.
Hey, well, I'll just say I have learned a lot. Discord is definitely worth it, and it has helped me do a lot of things. So, like I say, the NFT stuff, there's a lot I need to learn about it.
Yeah, it's definitely read those contracts before you sign them, though. Don't get permission for taking your crypto.
I don't think I'm going to, get too heavy into the crypto or the NFT stuff, but just something to dabble with, really. But I do with it. Who knows? Maybe someday I'll get one, but I can move accounts around and stuff.
All right, sounds good. See you guys. Have a good night. Don't stay up too late.
Happy birthday.
Don't stay up too late. Probably a bloody day tomorrow.
It's Friday. You never know.